Guys, welcome back to our this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to claim new tags on Zoo to earn more coin before the airdrop listing. So let's get started. We're going to open our Telegram, then go and search for your Zoo. And now we're going to open your Zoo. Okay, you can see we have 18 this left for farming. So guys, let's work hard, let's farm more before the mining stop. So I'm going to click on the tags. You can see let's claim our daily rewards. Claim it. Now let's see if I choose one boost for our channel. Okay, you can see the things that we can do. Join our Telegram. I've done this. Let's do this. Let's see, I've already do this. Let's get back. Sorry for that. Open your Zoo. You've already joined it. So I'm going to go back and open my Zoo back and go and claim it. I think I've marked all those ones. So let's go and check another thing here. You can see, just make sure you invite friends to get more coin. Farm before the listing before the mining stops. So guys, you have to make sure you farm it very well, so that before the airdrop and the mining stop, before they started giving out the airdrop on. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.